I'm gonna add and subtract fractions.
All right, you guys heard my son. Today we're gonna add and subtract fractions. Here is your warm-up. Go ahead and press the pause button, and I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes to do this warm-up. At the end of the warm-up, you're gonna have a person come up and teach the class just like normal, and then you will press play again, and then I will explain it. So go ahead and press pause. All right, let's see if you guys were right. My first question is number 1. Go to my question mark, and it says, how much did he jog in total? So I have Willie. Willie jogged 2/7 of a mile. And after a short break, he jogged another 2/3 of a mile. How much did he jog in total? That in total means I'm going to add. I'm going to put this fraction together with that fraction, and I'm going to get a new fraction. I'm going to have 2/7, and I'm going to add 2/3, and I'm going to get something else. My very, very first question I ask is, can 3 go into 7? The answer is no. So then I'm going to go with my other way, and I'm going to do my multiplication of the bottom. 7 times 3, which means my denominator is going to be 21. So something over 21 plus something over 21 is going to give me something over 21. Again, whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So if I'm taking 7 and I'm multiplying it by 3, what is 2 times 3? 6. I'm taking 3 and I'm multiplying it by 7. I'm going to take this 2 and I'm going to multiply it by 7, giving me 14. 6 plus 14 is 20. Now, if I'm looking at those factors, and the factors of 20 and the factors of 21, they don't have anything in common. So, because of that, they only have the factor 1 in common. Nothing else. It is in its lowest, most simple form, and I'm going to leave it alone. Moving on to number 2. Again, that's that question in total. How much fruit punch did Kelly make in total? Meaning I'm going to add. Kelly prepared fruit punch for her pool party. She mixed 1/4 of a liter of orange juice, 1/3 of a liter of mango juice, and 1/6 of a liter of pineapple juice. How many did she make in total? I'm going to add all 3 of those numbers. Okay, so I'm going to have 1/4 plus 1/3 plus 1/6. Now, I have 3 numbers, 3 denominators, and 3 cannot go into 4, but it can go into 6. 4 cannot go into 3 or 6, and 6 can't go. So I cannot do my trick. I instead am going to have to find the common denominator. And again, that's where my T-chart happens with 4, 3, and 6. 4, 8, 12, and I'm going to stop because I already know that that's going to match. Let's see if 3 matches. 6, 9, 12. It matches. So I know that I'm going to have 12 as my common denominator. And I know that 4 times 1, 2, 3 gives me 12. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 gives me 12. So 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 2 gives me 12. So 2 times 1 is 2. If I add those together, 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 2 is 9. I have 9/12. Now, knowing my factors, I'll show you right down here my factors of 9 and my factors of 12. 1, 3, and 9. Right? 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and it goes back to 12. My highest that I have in common is a 3. So that means I have to divide 9/12 by 3. And again, whatever I do to the top, I got to do to the bottom. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. My answer is 3/4. Thumbs up, thumbs to the side, thumbs down. How did we do? We're going to go ahead and stop this video, and you're going to go ahead and move on to our guided practice video.